Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video, we want to prove this statement. It says, if A divides B, then A must also be a divisor of B plus AK. So for all K is set of what? Integers. Alright, so before we get started, please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Alright guys, so let's move on into the proof. So how do we prove this statement? Alright, so according to the statement, it says A divides B, that is, A is a divisor of B. Now this implies that B is equal to A multiplied by some integer x altogether. So that is, if A is a divisor of B, it means that B is equal to A multiplied by some integer x altogether. So that is, x is a set of integers. Okay, so since we have this, we can now rewrite B plus AK as AX plus AK. So if we do that, that is, B plus AK will be equal to AX plus AK. Now what do you notice? We can factor out A. So if we do that, we are going to have A into bracket X plus K. Now that shows that A can divide A into bracket X plus K. So we can say let X plus K be equal to integer Y. Okay, integer Y, because if we add two integers together, it's still going to give us an integer. So we can now say that B plus AK is equal to A multiplied by an integer Y. So this implies that A is a divisor of A multiplied by an integer Y. So if A is a divisor of A multiplied by an integer Y, then definitely A is a divisor of B plus AK, and that's complete the proof. Alright guys, so if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.